beautiful scarf that we're going to make. And you noticed it has a diagonal look to it. Isn't that just beautiful? Yeah, so this scarf is about 8 inches wide by 66.5 inches long. And you can just keep going as long as you want if you need a longer one. And you can shorten it if you wish as well. Okay, so to make this beautiful scarf, we need an H 5.0 millimeter crochet hook. And I am using this Caron Cotton Cakes for this. So here we go. It's a medium 4-weight yarn. It's cream. And this is 60% cotton and 40% acrylic. And then for this green color, I am using Aqua Breeze. So to start this project off, we are going to chain 36. Just put your hook underneath your yarn and just twist around like that. And then yarn over, insert your hook through the loop on your hook. So that was 1 chain, 2, 3, 4, 5, and just keep repeating that to get to 36. Okay, so I just finished 36 chains. Now we're going to put a double crochet, 3 double crochets in the 5th chain from the hook. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 double crochets. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now let's do another double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook in that same space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Let's do this again in the same space. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So you just put 3 double crochets in the 5th chain from the hook. Now we're going to skip these next 2 chains, and in this 3rd chain, we're going to put 3 double crochets. So go ahead and make 3 more double crochets. That was 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Now you're going to keep repeating that. Skip 2 chains, 3 double crochets. You're going to repeat this all the way to the end. 1, 2, and 3. All right, I'll show you one more time. Skip next 2 chains, 3 double crochets in the 3rd chain. That's 1, 2, and 3. All right, I'll meet you when you get to the end here. You should have 1 chain left when you get finished. Okay, I finished all of my 3 double crochet clusters. I have 1 chain left, and so we're going to work 1 double crochet in that last chain space. Okay, so that is row 1. So now you're going to chain 3 and turn. 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to turn our work. So now we're going to work 3 double crochets together like this. Yarn over, insert your hook in that first double crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook in the next double crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You now have 3 on your hook. Now we're going to yarn over and insert our hook in that 3rd double crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You now have 4 loops on your hook. yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, and then we're going to chain 1, and you're going to repeat that all the way across. So let's start it again. In the next 3, and yarn over, insert your hook in the next double crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook in the next double crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook in the next double crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, and chain 1. And just keep repeating this all the way across. Yarn over, insert your hook in the first double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook in the next double crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, insert your hook in the next double crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, and chain 1. Okay, I will meet you at the end when you finish these 3 double crochets. I've just finished with all of the 3 double crochet clusters together like that. Now at the very end, on the top of the chain 3, we're going to make a double crochet. Well, I need to chain 1, sorry. We'll make a double crochet at the top of the chain 3. Okay, so that's the end of row 2. So for row 3, we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. Turn our work. Okay, so now we're going to put 3 double crochets in the top of the cluster. So just insert your hook, put 3 double crochets. That's 1, 2, and 3. So you have your chain 1 and your 3 double crochets, and you're going to repeat that all the way across. 3 double crochets in the top of the next cluster. It's 1, 2, and 3. Okay, 3 double crochets in the top of the next cluster. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, I'll show you one more time. 3 double crochets in the top of the next cluster. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I'll meet you when you get finished with this last cluster right here, the last 3 double crochets. And we're just at the very end here, or almost finished with the row. I'm going to put a double crochet in the top of the chain 3. Oops. There we go. Okay, so that was row 3. Now row 2 and 3 are going to be your repeat rows. For row 4 and 5, you're going to repeat row 2 and 3. And when you get to row 6, you're going to repeat row 2, and then you're going for row 7, you're going to change to the cream colored yarn. Okay, so this is 1, 2, and 3. So for row 4 and 5, repeat row 2 and 3. Okay, so for just to remind you, row 2 was chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Turn your work. You have the 3 double crochets right there, so you're going to do 3 double crochets together. Yarn over, insert your hook in the first double crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook in the next double crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now insert your yarn over and insert your hook in the next double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, and chain 1. And you're going to repeat that all the way across. Okay, so we're at the end of row 4, which is a repeat of row 2. And so the top of that chain 3, we're going to make a double crochet. There we go. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4. So for row 5, we are going to repeat row 3. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Turn your work. Aren't you finding out that this is a really easy pattern? Okay, so now we're going to put 3 double crochets in the top of our cluster. One, 2, and 3. And keep repeating that all the way across. 3 double crochets in the top of the cluster. Okay. There we go. Okay, I'll meet you when you get to the end. We just finished row 5, and row 5, like I said, was a repeat of row 3. So for row 6, we are going to repeat row 2. So chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Turn your work. So for row 6, we're going to repeat row 2. And you're just going to do 3 double crochets together. Yarn over, insert your hook in the first double crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook in the next double crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook in the next double crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, and chain 1. And just keep repeating that all the way to the end. And then when you get to the very end, you're going to do a double crochet in the top of the chain 3. But don't do that until I show you, because we are actually going to be changing yarn. Okay, so go ahead and work your 3 double crochets together, clusters all the way across. Okay, now that we are at the end of row 6, we're going to finish it off with a double crochet on the top of the chain 3 as normal, but we're not going to complete it. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now leave 2 loops on your hook, and we're going to grab our new color. I like to leave a little strand of yarn, hold that original color down, grab the new yarn, pull through. And actually what I do from here, you don't have to do it this way, but I like to go ahead and tie this back here. And you can tie it in a knot or just do a one tie, however you want. It's not going to come out. Okay, now that you got your new color on, go ahead and then complete your normal work. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and turn your work. Now this is row 7. So row 7, we are completing row 3. And it's easy to remember how you do this because it's obvious, you know, you have a cluster or you have the 3 double crochets. So for row 7, we're repeating row 3. So we're going to put 3 double crochets in the top of our 3 double crochet together cluster. So there's 1, 2, and 3. And just keep repeating that. 3 double crochets on top of your 3 double crochet together clusters. 2 and 3. Okay, I will meet you when you get to the end. Okay, so just finished row 7, and row 7 was a repeat of row 3. And I forgot to mention to go ahead and fasten off your original color here. Okay, so for row 8, we're going to repeat row 2. So 1, 2, 3 chains, turn your work, and you're going to work a 3 double crochet together cluster in the top of these first 3 double crochets. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook in the next double crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook in the next double crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, and chain 1. And you're going to repeat that all the way across. But since we're changing colors at the end, when you get ready to do the double crochet, you're not going to finish it all the way through. You're going to do half part of it, and then you're going to change into your original color. So I'll meet back with you when you get to this last cluster here. Okay, now we're at the end of row 7, and we're going to put our double crochet in, and we're going to change colors. So let's put our double crochet in the top of the chain 3, yarn over, insert our hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Leave 2 loops on your hook, lay your yarn down, grab your new color, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now, I showed you how you can tie that off at this point, but if you want, you could tie this off here in a little bit, okay? So let's go ahead and do round 8, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Turn your work, and as you can see, you're now going to work 3 double crochets in the top of the clusters. Okay, now if you want, you can go ahead, fasten off your color, and you could go ahead and tie it at this point if you even want to tie it. All right, well, that's it. All you need to do is when you get finished, you're going to weave in all your ends. Okay, so now that you got rows 1 through 8, for the rest of your rows, you're going to keep repeating this. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You should have a total of 13 white stripes. Okay, so when you finish your last row of cream, then you're just going to keep repeating row 2 and 3, or row 3 and 2, I guess at this point, because that's row 2. It's row 3. So you're just going to keep repeating those 2 rows for 5 rows, and you're going to end with row 3. And then if you want it longer, you can just continue on another row of cream, another 2 rows of cream, and then 5 rows of your rows 2 and 3. All right, guys, that's all there is. I hope you enjoyed this. This is a beautiful scarf. I'm sure you'll get lots of wear, make lots of gifts with this. All right, thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.